www.healthcmi.com. Acupuncture Continuing Education Online today. Acupuncture for the treatment of influenza virus. This article was published October 26, 2018, entitled Acupuncture Fights Influenza, Decreases Mortality Rate. So, in 2 independent investigations, acupuncture was found effective for fighting influenza virus. So, acupuncture was lowering mortality rates, but also increasing phagocytosis and serum interferon levels. So acupuncture was found on an objective level to increase survival times, but also up the actions in the immune system that help fight off the virus. So these are very interesting investigations. One investigation used only acupuncture as a monotherapy, and it worked. Another one found that acupuncture actually increases the effectiveness of an antiviral drug, often known by its brand name Tamiflu. So people taking the drug actually got better results when they added acupuncture into the therapeutic regimen. At the Healthcare Medicine Institute, we are working on an educational course for the treatment of influenza with acupuncture and herbal medicine, and we're finding that we need to use very specific herbs, most of which are not in common use by licensed acupuncturists, because in the modern age, what Professor Jeffrey Pong and Ken Pong are noting from their Family Secrets book is that we need to address these modern infections differently than historically. So in the past, let's say Yin Chao San or Sang Ju Yin, these herbal formulas have been used to fight off different viral or bacterial infections, but today's viral infections are very different, and so are the bacterial. So we do need to use some often obscure herbs to get the job done. That will be coming up at healthcmi.com in our course on the treatment of influenza. And this particular research highlights the efficaciousness of acupuncture for the treatment of influenza. So, as Professor Pong has noted, we're in the age of heat and toxins. And in this age, what we need from acupuncture and herbs is very different than, let's say, a few hundred years ago when cold-induced disorders was of major interest. So take a look at this article at healthcmi.com. I think you'll find it very interesting. It also lists the acupuncture points very specifically, which got the job done. Very important for licensed acupuncturists. Take a look. For the Healthcare Medicine Institute, I'm Adam White, licensed acupuncturist. Thank you for listening. If you like our podcast, please give us a review. www.healthcmi.com